Welcome guys to today's workout. I've got a morning routine for beginners here, a daily workout that you can do every single day to help you burn that body fat. And it's going to have 15 exercises in 15 minutes, doing 30 seconds work time and taking 30 seconds rest. Here with Hydrochana, I'm going to take you through that 15-minute workout, 15 exercises, doing a total body workout, engaging our upper body, our strength, our lower body, as well as hitting that core. We're going to start on our feet through the workout, and as we get halfway through, we're going to take it down to the floor. So workouts like this, you can do every single morning because it engages your entire body. Total body workout all over. And if you're implementing something like this consistently all the way through, you'll be able to potentially burn that body fat and help you get lean and shredded. But I want to get straight into that workout now, guys. So let's go ahead and set ourselves up. So we have 20 seconds. We're going to prepare ourselves for the first exercise. I'm going in for jumping jack. This is going to just help you get started, regulate that breathing, and just warm the body up to start going into the actual workout. So in that 7 seconds, let's go ahead and start with jumping jacks. So make sure you stand up nice and tall, don't slouch forward. Go nice and wide with the legs. Keep those arms stretched out, a little bit bent through the elbows. Bring them all the way up. All right, so first exercise in, taking 30 seconds rest now. This is a beginner-based workout, so we're taking a slightly longer rest. So you need to be able to get through the whole 15 exercises without completely fully exerted, but this might actually push you at this point as well. So if you want to go a little bit quicker at times, you can just take that little bit less rest and do a little bit more work if that's what you feel like doing. But again, in now, 5 seconds. Next exercise, going to body squats. This one, try and stay nice and tall, shoulders round the back. Going just outside your hip width with the legs. Try to sit in between, pushing your hips back. You should keep good form. So you're working into your quads, your hams, getting those glutes in there. And trying to avoid any of the pressure going in towards your knees and your shins and your ankles. All right, second one down. We're going into that third exercise and still standing on our feet here. As we get halfway through, we'll be taking it down to the floor. So next exercise we're going to do is going into a forward crawl and a push-up. So we're doing the forward crawl. We're going to go wide stance with the feet. That gives you a little bit more easier form to get all the way down. So the wider you go, the more you find so you get all the way down into a flat line here. So you want to make sure you got that straight line all the way through the body. Push up position. Bring yourself back up again. Fully stand up, back down. When you're pushing through from the chest, make sure it's the chest line. So you're not having your hands too forward. You've got to get that chin over your hand position. All right, again, just taking that 30 seconds rest, and we are moving in to the next one. So next one, taking into our lower body, we're going to do some explosive lunges. So we're going to alternate explosively for those 30 seconds. All right, so set yourself up. Again with the lunges. Starting position here, first lunge, explosive, jump. Make sure you stay nice and tall at the top. Don't slouch forward. Keep that back straight, shoulders around the back. Use your arms freely to help you with balance and stability. Pause at the bottom. All right, that one's going to get you on fire. You're going to start feeling now. Heart rate is up. Feeling the tiredness now. Now you really feel like you're going to need those 30 seconds, and even then you might feel like you need that bit more. Then you're on the right cardio aspect where you're looking at. So this is the right type of workout if you're feeling that little bit slight exhaustion now. So we're going to be moving in to the next one, shoulders, pike push-ups. So I'm going to do this on a slightly elevated position here. You want to go nice and high up with the hips, bring those feet in, head down in between the hands. So you're working completely on your shoulders. Push through. All right, so now we're going to the next exercise. We're going to take it down to the floor. So we're going to go with the slow mat incline push-ups. You're going to need to just set up your mat if you need one, or if you're working on a softer surface already, then you can just carry on. Right, with the slow mountain climbers, full push-up position here, plank position. Just bring your knee in, crunch. As your knee comes in closer towards your chest, breathe out and change. All right, so now down to the floor completely. So we're going next exercise, just here laying on the back. We're doing the single leg glute crunches, so really focusing into the glutes individually. So we're going to do one side first, and then we're going to repeat the same on the second half of the 30 seconds on the other side. So single leg, get one leg on a right angle position, get the other one, get the heel close as you can to the glutes, and lift and squeeze into the glutes. All right, so at this point, get a nice comfortable 30-second rest here, staying down on the floor, and we're just going to switch legs here. So it gives you enough time just to catch your breath again, and just a little bit of recovery as you continue through the workout. Let's go in 5. Good. Tuck that heel in there as much as you can. 90-degree bend. All right. Let's go into the next one, staying down on the ground again. For this one, okay, to move the mat out of the way if you don't want, depending on how you feel with the push-up here. I'm going for a full push-up. If you feel like it's a tough exercise to a full push-up, go ahead and drop your knees down. So normal neutral push-up, shoulder width apart. Get that chin down, get that chest down, touching the ground. Breathe out. Keep that palm alignment with the chest so you're not working through your shoulders. Stay down. Just relax through. If your body's stiff anywhere, just try and stretch through it. while you're having those 30-second rests in between. And try and just regulate your breathing, bring it back down. Next exercise, staying on our front this time and going in for Superman, so working into our lower back. This exercise, you can have your hands here, further out, just trying to get that lift of your legs and your upper back, so you can get that crunch into the lower. So bring your feet and your chin back down to the ground, so it eases off the pressure off the back before you crunch it again. All right, this time again staying down, we're going to go into some kneeling diamond push-ups. You're going to find as you're getting through this workout, maybe a little bit fatigued now for the chest and the shoulders, getting tired, even some tricep usage of doing that exercise, and now it's more tricep focus, so we can do a kneeling form of these diamond push-ups, so we're focusing more on the tricep head itself. So staying on the knees. Again, you want to keep that same position now, bringing that chest down to the hands, get that chin over. Feels a bit easy in this form. Go ahead, take those knees off. Make it a little bit harder. All right, sit back on this one, get that heart rate down. Next exercise, we're going to push it a little bit now, raising your heart rate. So we're going into those mountain climbs again, but we're going now into the running form. So really pushing it, going faster. Again, back into that push-up position, same one. Now, run it through. Get those knees in, closer to the chest. Breathe in, breathe out. All right, that one's definitely going to get you now. It's just getting close to the end. Trying to get that exhaustion in the body so you felt like you had a great 15-minute workout. So now, last one, just trying to regulate the breathing now. Hold it in. We're going for that plank hold. So plank hold, get those elbows down. Keep that elbow alignment with the shoulders. Fairly straight line through the body. Get those hips up a little bit so you get that crunch in the core and less pressure on the lower back. Just hold. If it gets tough, you feel like you need to drop down, you can drop it and just get back up straight away as much as you can in that 30 seconds. All right. 2 more exercises to go, and that will finish up 15 exercises in that 15-minute period. So next one, lying and finishing off with the last 2 exercises, just laying on your back, core exercises. We're going to go into some bicycle crunches. This exercise, bring that elbow close as you can towards your knee and alternate. Go a little bit slower, get that contraction in the core. Don't worry too much about the speed. Keep it slow and controlled. All right, this one, just lay it out. Get the heart rate down. And going in for that one last exercise, it's going to be the V-up toe touch. All right, guys, that comes to the end of the workout. That is your 15-minute workout. If you guys really want to push your fat burning potential, you want to lean out, you want to get shredded, I suggest you go for a second round. So go ahead and do the exact thing for round 2. If you've got the energy and you can push yourself to do a total 30 minutes, then go ahead and do so. The more you do, the more you put in, the more you'll burn, the more you're working your muscles, the more better, the leaner the muscles will rebuild. So you go ahead and do that if you need to. I'm going to go for that second round to finish up this entire workout here. So I'm going to do a complete 30 minutes to finish off my routine. But I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. If you haven't tried it, go ahead and do so. Hit the like button if you did, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment down in the section below what you'd like to see in the next video. But that's it from this video, guys. Hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one.